In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a free blog using Google Sites. Google Sites is primarily a website builder, but with some creativity, you can also use it to create a blog. I will share tips and tricks that will be helpful in creating a blog on Google Sites. So please watch the entire video before taking action. To begin, you need to go to Google Sites by searching for it on Google Sites by searching for it on Google. Once you find it, you can create a new site. I recommend starting from a blank template, as the available templates are more suitable for corporate or business websites rather than blogs. Click on blank and create a new site. The first step is to give your blog a title. For this example, I will create a blog about Thailand and name it Thailand Blog. Feel free to be more creative with your title. Next, you should add an image to your blog. You can upload your own image or use a website like Pixels to find royalty-free stock photos. I suggest searching for relevant images on Pixels to enhance your blog's visual appeal. Download the desired image and upload it to your blog site. Now that we have our Thailand blog title, let's make it bold and customize the font if desired. You can highlight the text and make any desired customizations. Moving on to the next step, you need to start writing blog posts and categorize them so that people can easily find them. It is recommended to display your blog posts on the home page. For this, you can drag and drop 4 blog posts onto the home page. Let's take an example blog post about the best beaches in Thailand. Find appropriate images for your blog post, either by uploading your own or using stock photos. Add the chosen image to the blog post. Now we need to make the blog post clickable and link it to an article or page. Google Sites doesn't have a dedicated feature for creating blog posts, but you can use pages and links to simulate the experience. Create a new page, such as beaches in Thailand, and add it to the navigation bar. If you don't want this page to be visible in the navigation, you can choose to hide it. To link the blog post title to the best beaches in Thailand page, highlight the title, insert the link, and select the relevant page. Write an engaging article about the best beaches in Thailand. You can use filler text or write your own content. After completing the blog post text, you can add a snippet of it to the home page, followed by a read more link. Link this snippet to the best beaches in Thailand page, go to the best beaches in Thailand page, go to the best beaches in Thailand page, and start creating your blog post content. You can insert images, add text blocks, and customize the layout. Populate the blog with informative content and adjust the design to your liking. Aside from blog posts, you may want to create other pages, such as an About Me page. Adding additional pages allows users to navigate through your blog easily. You can write an About Me page and position it in the navigation bar. Continue populating your blog with different blog posts across various sections. Once you are satisfied with the content, publish your blog. Give it a suitable name, such as Best at Beaches. After publishing, you can view the published site to ensure everything is working correctly. By following these steps, you can create a blog using Google Sites that showcases your content effectively. If you found this information helpful, please let me know in the comments section below.